Bismillahirrohmanirrohim. Hello English language learners. In this lesson, we will explore an infinitive after a verb such as like, need, or want, presented by Bandung Linguophile Learner. Please watch this video until the end. Subscribe to my channel and kindly activate your notification bell to receive new lessons and stay up to date. Like, part 1. Like means to enjoy something or think that someone or something is nice. Or in bahasa Indonesia, menyukai sesuatu atau menganggap seseorang atau sesuatu itu menyenangkan. Like is often followed by an infinitive. So, what does an infinitive mean? An infinitive means to plus the base form of a verb. Now, let me show you the sentence structure. Infinitive with like. For example, I like to read a book. I is the subject, like is the verb, and to read is the direct object or an infinitive phrase. Affirmative sentences. For example, I like to read a book. We like to read a book. You like to read a book. They like to read a book. He likes to read a book. She likes to read a book. The company likes to buy and sell stocks. Negative sentence. For example, I don't like to read a book. An interrogative sentence. For example, do you like to read a book? Part 2. Need. Need means if you need something, you must have it, and if you need to do something, you must do it. Need is often followed by an infinitive. An infinitive means to plus a base form of a verb. I will show you the sentence structure. Infinitive with need. For example, I need to drink a hot cup of tea. I is the subject, need is the verb, to drink is the object. Affirmative sentences. For example, I need to drink a hot cup of tea. We need to drink a hot cup of tea. You need to drink a hot cup of tea. They need to drink a hot cup of tea. He needs to drink a hot cup of tea. She needs to drink a hot cup of tea. It needs to drink a hot cup of tea. A negative sentence, for example, I don't need to drink a hot cup of tea. An interrogative sentence, for example, do you need to drink a hot cup of tea? Part 3. Want. Want. Number 1. We use want to talk about something you want to do. Number 2. To feel that you would like to have something. Number 3. We have a strong desire to do a thing. Or in bahasa Indonesia, kita menggunakan kata want untuk membicarakan sesuatu yang ingin Anda lakukan. Nomor 2, untuk merasakan bahwa Anda ingin melakukan sesuatu. Nomor 3, want menyatakan keinginan yang kuat untuk melakukan sesuatu. Want is often followed by an infinitive. An infinitive means to plus a base form of a verb. I will show you the sentence structure. Infinitive with want. For example, I want to go abroad. I is the subject, want is the verb, to go is the object. Affirmative sentences. For example, number 1, I want to go abroad. We want to go abroad. You want to go abroad. They want to go abroad. He wants to go abroad. She wants to go abroad. The company, wants to expand the market. A negative sentence, for example, I don't want to go abroad. An interrogative sentence, for example, do you want to go abroad? Conclusion. When we use verbs such as like, need, or want, it's required to use an infinitive. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye. See you next time. Reference. This page is intentionally left blank.